High heel care and maintenance secrets for your spouse. Whether her collection is designer or affordable, proper care can double its lifespan, save you money, and keep her shoes looking as stunning as the day you bought them. Every time her heel touches the pavement, it's exposed to dust, moisture, pressure, and friction. Ignoring maintenance can lead to dull finishes, loose straps, wobbly heels, or even irreparable damage. But when you care for your heels properly, you do three things. 1. Protect your investment, whether it's a luxury pair or not. High heels aren't cheap. Proper maintenance saves you from frequent replacements. 2. Improve comfort and safety. A well-maintained heel is less likely to cause slips, trips, or blisters. 3. Preserve the structure and look. Heels are often made with delicate materials like suede, satin, leather, or patent. Each needs different attention to prevent cracks, fading, or deformation. Addressing common issues and how to fix them. Heels go through a lot, but most problems have simple fixes if you act quickly. Broken or loose straps. Temporary fix. Use super glue to reattach the strap if you're in a hurry. Permanent fix. Take the heel to a cobbler for stitching or strap replacement. If the leather around the strap hole is torn, it may need patching or reinforcement. Loose stitching. Solution. Use a needle and heavy-duty thread for minor repairs. Match the color to avoid obvious seams. If the area is delicate, let a cobbler reinforce the stitching to avoid further damage. Foul odor. Solution. Mix baking soda and a few drops of essential oil. Sprinkle it into the insole, leave overnight, and shake it out in the morning. You can also place dryer sheets or activated charcoal inside between wears. Now let's talk about storage methods to keep your heels in perfect shape. Open shoe racks, only if the area is free from dust and sunlight. Use shoe covers to protect from exposure. Original shoe boxes, they protect from dust and light. Label each box or add a photo for easy access. Clear plastic shoe bins, a modern way to keep them visible and protected. Never store your shoes piled on top of one another. This causes dents, scratches, and misshaped heels. If space is tight, use tiered racks or hanging organizers with individual slots. Travel tips for heels. If you're packing your heels for travel, use cloth dust bags or soft socks to cover each heel. Stuff the inside with soft clothing to maintain shape and place heels in the center of your suitcase, surrounded by soft items to prevent crushing. High heels aren't just about fashion, they're about self-expression, poise, and sometimes romance. But they won't love you back unless you care for them. Know these high heel care isn't complicated, it's just overlooked.